Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Chitra. I am a manifestation coach and healer. On this channel, I discuss manifestation, spirituality, personal development. If you are interested in one-to-one coaching courses, coaching packages, all my details are in the description box. Do connect with us on social media platform and you can connect on the contact mentioned in the description box. Speak these words to manifest anything you desire. I am telling you this was scary fast. Today in this video, I want to share with you just a few words that will allow you to manifest any desire you want. These words come straight from Neville Goddard himself. He has shared with some of his students over the years when it comes to manifesting what you want and not having to do all these different techniques. If you can just take everything away and just narrow down everything to just a few words, it is really and literally all it works and it will take to manifest your biggest dream. So again, when it comes to getting into the state of the wish fulfilled, this is not always easy, right? Sometimes it is tough, sometimes it is difficult, sometimes we feel a lot of angst and stress when it comes to doing this. Unfortunately, when we feel the anxiety and stress and these things, when we tend to manifest more of that, right? Even for some people, when Neville talks about doing imaginal act and doing these things and visualizing, a lot of people strong struggle to visualize, or a lot of people don't even really know what they want. They just want a better life in general in it. And again, you don't have to visualize, you don't have to do these things. Okay, in fact, Neville says that sometimes when he speaks of the feeling, it doesn't even actually mean the feeling, it means something else entirely. And this is where these powerful words come into play. I'm going to share those words with you right now. I'm going to read you a quote by Neville, which this check this out. When when I speak of feeling, I don't mean emotion, but acceptance of the fact that the desire is fulfilled, feeling grateful, fulfilled, or thankful. It is easy to say thank you, isn't it wonderful? Or it is finished. When you get into a state of thankfulness, you can either awaken knowing it is done or fall asleep feeling the wish fulfilled. Here we go. Yes, thank you. Neville, that's a gem, right? There. So, Neville says the best time to really kind of these manifestation technique, feel the feelings of having your manifestation now, is right before you go to bed at night, because you fall asleep doing that and your subconscious mind starts doing the work as you are asleep. So for a lot of people, it's hard to visualize before bed. It's hard to really feel the end result before bed, live in the end result before bed. And Neville clears all this up. He says you don't got to feel it, you just got to be thankful. Say those few simple words, thank you, isn't it wonderful, it is finished. And as you say that, you can drift off into sleep with that feeling state of it is already being done. Isn't that incredible? Because when you get in your manifestation, wouldn't be thankful? When you get your manifestation, wouldn't you feel pretty wonderful? When you get your manifestation, wouldn't you feel something like that, like satisfaction? It is finished and it's done. So you can just say those words to yourself now and catch yourself little bit in that feeling state of thank you, it is done, it is finished. Isn't it wonderful to get yourself in that feeling? That is enough to bring what you want into your life. So try this tonight before you go to bed. Okay, get all ready for bed, get all comfy. As you lay down on your pillow just for about 30 seconds or a minute. Say that thank you, thank you. It's so wonderful, isn't it wonderful? Ah, it is finished. It is finished. You don't even have to visualize, you don't have to think. Just saying the words automatically brings a positive sensation within you, and you go to bed feeling the positive sensation. That's all you need to manifest your biggest desires. Do the simple nights in a row. I am telling you, manifestation will come scary fast into your life. So, try it and let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And if you haven't already, then please subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so whenever I post the new videos, you will get the notification about it. Thank you.